Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore drawing a linear graph. So a petrol is leaking from a car's oil tank, which is initially full at a constant rate. And let's zoom in. And the first thing that caught Mr. Tan's eyes is the equation. So the equation is V, which is the volume, is equals to negative 3t. T is actually the minutes time from 0 to 20 minutes. So here let me just highlight the equation. And then a table of value is given. So calculate the value of A. And when does A happen? A happens when T is equals to 15. So for this, V equals to negative 3t plus 60. You can easily see that I am going to substitute A as V, T as 15. So A is equals to negative 3 times 15 plus 60. So just a highlight for you to see. And from here, I will be able to get my value of A. So my A will be equals to 15. Now, we're supposed to plot this particular graph onto the grid here. So let's start plotting. The first point, T is 0 when V is 60. So it will be this point here. I'm going to plot with a blue color line. 5 and 54. So I'm going to go to the graph 5. 45. So it will be somewhere here. 10 and 30. So T is 10. I'm going to go up until I stop at 30. 15 and 15. So when T is 15, 15. And the last point is when V is 0, T is 20. Here. And I'm going to pull out my ruler. And indeed, they make a nice straight line. Okay. Write down the equation of the line. V equals to negative 15 plus 60. And with that, I've completed part B. Use the graph to find the initial volume of the petrol. That means at the very start. At the very start when T equals to 0 at the 0 minute. So for this particular question, the initial volume happens here. You can also see it from the table as well, yeah? So from here, I will be able to get 60. Find the volume of the petrol after 12 minutes. So I'm going to go to the graph and go and find the point where it is 12 minutes, which is here. and I'm going to go all the way up to the graph, and I will be able to get 24. So the answer 24 liters. And I will now need to draw the graph of I'm going to draw in green. V equals to 35. So this happens to be a horizontal line where every point the V is equals to 0. So every point the V will be equals to 35. So I pull out my ruler and draw a horizontal line. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.